Jane clocked in, the familiar hum of the office filling the air. Another day, another dollar. She liked her job well enough. It was stable, it was comfortable, but it wasn't her passion.
I crave something more, something that makes my heart sing.
After work, Jane dove headfirst into her side hustle. She was creating an online course, a passion project focused on building digital brands. She knew the power of the internet, the potential it held to reach millions. She spent hours researching, learning, and pouring her heart into crafting a course that was both valuable and engaging. Jane believed in her course, in its ability to empower others. But not everyone shared her enthusiasm.
Seriously, Jane, still fiddling with that online thing?
Mark, her coworker, chuckled, his words dripping with sarcasm. He just didn't get it, the fire that burned within her.
It's not just an online thing, Mark, it's my dream.
Mark scoffed, shaking his head.
You're wasting your time. Stick to the real world, Jane.
His words echoed the doubts that swirled in Jane's own mind. Was she being naive? Was she chasing a pipe dream? But Jane refused to let negativity extinguish her flame. She knew the power of persistence, the magic that unfolded when talent met hard work. Jane devoured online articles, attended webinars, and sought advice from experts. She learned about marketing funnels, email lists, and the art of connecting with an online audience. She was like a sponge, soaking up knowledge, constantly refining her approach.
I built a website, my online storefront, showcasing my course with pride.
She crafted engaging social media posts, sharing her knowledge and infectious enthusiasm with the world. She knew it wouldn't be easy, but she was determined to make it work. The first few months were tough, sales were slow, and doubt whispered in her ear, but Jane refused to give up. Then, slowly but surely, things began to change. People were signing up for her course. Positive reviews started trickling in, each one a testament to her hard work and dedication. The seeds she had sown were finally beginning to sprout.
I'm ecstatic. My dream is coming true.
She poured even more energy into her side hustle, fueled by the positive feedback and the knowledge that she was making a real difference in people's lives. Her income from the course began to grow, slowly at first, then with increasing momentum. She hit milestones she had only dared to dream of. One evening, Jane sat down to review her finances.
As she crunched the numbers, a slow smile spread across her face.
She had done it. Her side hustle income had surpassed her salary. It was surreal.
The dream I had nurtured for so long had blossomed into a reality more incredible than I could have imagined.
Her heart swelled with pride and gratitude.
She thought of Mark and his dismissive words. She had proven him wrong, but more importantly, she had proven to herself that anything was possible with enough passion and determination. Instead of resting on my laurels, I doubled down. I used my newfound freedom to invest even more time and resources into my online course. I upgraded my equipment, hired a virtual assistant, and focused on creating even more valuable content for my students. My confidence soared. I had found my calling, a path that ignited my soul and allowed me to empower others. I was no longer just Jane, the office worker. I was Jane, the online entrepreneur, the digital brand expert, the woman who dared to dream big and chase her passion.
Jane's story resonated with people. She became a beacon of hope, proving that success wasn't limited to the privileged few. The day Jane quit her corporate job was bittersweet. She had grown comfortable with the routine, the familiarity of it all. But deep down, she knew it was time to fly free, to devote herself entirely to her passion. Her life was transformed. She set her own hours, worked from anywhere in the world, and had the freedom to design a life she loved. She was living proof that the online world held endless possibilities for those brave enough to seize them.
My journey was far from over. It was just the beginning.
Jane's story is a testament to the power of belief, the unwavering faith in oneself even when the odds are stacked against you. It's a reminder that success is not a destination, but a journey paved with hard work, resilience, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. In a world saturated with information, online learning has become the great equalizer. It has democratized knowledge, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a hunger to learn and grow.
My story is an inspiration, a beacon of hope in a world often shrouded in doubt and uncertainty. Believe in yourself. Embrace the power of online learning. It has the power to transform your life, just like it transformed mine.
And that is Jane's golden rule, a message she shares with the world, hoping to ignite the same fire in others that burns so brightly within her.